Hey guys, just a quick tip for you. We're gonna make some garlic knots, and we're gonna do the simple, easy recipe. You don't have to make dough and bread and all that stuff. You just buy some instant biscuit mix. Use the buttermilk. I use the big grand ones, and those work perfect. So we're gonna use. This is what we're gonna do. This is the whole biscuit. We're gonna cut it in half. That's what I've done here, and then we're gonna roll. Gonna roll it out. And we're gonna knot it. And we're gonna put our butter garlic mix on it, and we're gonna put it in the oven and till it's done. And it's quick, simple, and easy. You can do homemade bread if you want. If you have time to make homemade bread, go for it. But if you want to do something quick and easy, and you want some garlic bread, especially with that salmon that we made, I'm going to show you how to do it. So we're just going to knot it up. I already have some here, but I'm just going to show you how. We're just going to knot it. Just going to tie a knot. Simple and easy. Pull it and then lay it down. That's it. We're going to knot these up, and we're going to cover it with our mix. Okay, guys, we got our simple mix. If anybody knows how to do some garlic mix, it's easy. This one, we added a little Parmesan to it. So it's just butter, garlic, powder, garlic salt, a little oregano, and some Italian seasoning. And you just gonna butter our bread like so. And then we're gonna put it in the oven at probably 375. I'm using parchment paper so it doesn't stick. And it's an easy cleanup too, so you can just get rid of the paper when you're done. You don't gotta worry about washing the pan or anything. So that's why we use the parchment paper. We also use parchment paper like when we make cookies and all that stuff. So it's easy. So we're just gonna butter these up and put them in the oven. And that's it. And we'll show you what it looks like after they are finished. Okay, guys, look at our knots. Look at that, beautiful. Quick, simple, easy garlic knots. I'm gonna have one right now and enjoy my bites. Bon appetit.